This is a SmallRig mini L-shaped mount plate kit. The ID number on the box is MD4360. I was sent this to review for free. If you wanted to purchase it, it would cost you about $25. They have not paid me for my review, and my opinions remain my own. So in the box, we have here, looks like 2 paper-wrapped bundles and a small bag of screws. We have 2 aluminum L-brackets here. The screws also appear to be stainless steel, as do all of the retractable mounting pins here, or positioning pins. So everything here looks like it's not going to rust on you. Now, this guy snapped a little harder there, so that might be not stainless steel or a lower grade of stainless steel, but all of the other components here are very much non-magnetic, so these guys are probably 304. Now, this guy here has 1/4x20 threads on these 2 here, but those 1/4x20 threads are inside of a larger 3/8x16 adapter, and it includes the 3/8x16 screws as well. So if you were to remove these screws here and then take out these threaded inserts, then you could replace them with the 3/8x16. So you can use their little provided ring screwdriver to remove the threaded adapter here. It helps if this guy here is screwed all the way in to get it out of the way, to give you the maximum spinning distance here. But you can use this to remove that threaded insert, and once that threaded insert's removed, then you can put in the provided 3/8x16 screw. So if you have a device which requires a 3/8 attachment point, this here will adapt that. So you can attach this into a 3/8 and have a 1/4x20 on the other side, or you could have 2 3/8. They include enough hardware so you can put 3/8 on all 4 of these if that's what you want. So generally, for something this size, I would expect most equipment to be 1/4x20, because you only have, probably 1/8 of an inch here. This is very close to the edge there. So this corner here, there's only about 1/8 of an inch spacing there from the edge of the equipment to the hole here. So these are also, they say it's only rated for 1 kilogram, like 2 pounds. These look pretty hefty. I suspect you could probably go a little higher than the rating on it. But they're relatively small brackets designed for attaching accessories to a camera cage or to a camera directly. And so they have these positioning pins that if you don't have matching holes for them, they will go down. So they're spring loaded and they will push out of the way if they don't have holes. But if they do have holes, it'll keep this guy from spinning in place. Now there's also a little rubber pad around each of these. So if you tighten it down enough, that rubber pad will also keep it from spinning in place. But if you have these locating pins to hook into something, that's nice to keep this guy from rotating. So essentially it really boils down to, do you have 2 devices you're trying to hook together pretty permanently? I mean, they're removable screws, but you screw these guys in with a screwdriver, they're going to stay stuck where you put them. And do you need to mount these things? Now they do also include this little guy here. There's no instructions, so I'm not quite sure. I think the only real use here is you can use this as a screwdriver for these guys here, so you can attach this to a camera bag, or your whatever you're carrying around. You just put a line through that and tie it through, and you'll always have access to a screwdriver that'll work with these screws. So that's what you get in this package. So yeah, when I first read the price, I was like, that price for an L-Bracket because it wasn't clear that it's a 2-pack in the box. But yes, it is a 2-pack, and the L-Brackets have the flexibility of the 1/4 by 20 or 3/8 by 16. They have these nice locator pins. You know, it's nicely made, and it looks like it's either powder coated or painted nicely. And it includes all the hardware you need to go to 3/8 or 1/4. And so it's a complete package, and I think it's a pretty good deal for what you're paying for this.